Resistor before testing for surge. This is just to understand how the resistor will look before and after a surge failure happens. So this is a working resistor. As you can see, it is 82.79, that's plus 0.9% tolerance. Okay, let's put surge on it and see how it will look. So right now you can see the body, everything is good looking. Alright, so right now we are applying surge to this resistor direct without the bulb circuit. Okay, first surge it didn't fail, so fail avule. Silent ആയിട്ട് പോകുന്നുണ്ടാവില്ല. So that's 5 pulses sent through the resistor. Let's go back and check how it looks. So I have put the resistor back on the tolerance meter to see, and as you can see, the resistor is open. That is basically it has fused, opened up, so that due to surge. So when you observe the resistor body, you can see that the body looks exactly like how it was before. Only thing is that it has fused. So a resistor that fails due to surge, there will be no external indication of how there won't be much damage externally. There won't be any burnt look or anything like that, because surge is an instantaneous impulse. Next I will show you a video on how a resistor will look when it fuses due to overload, that is continuous overload, and how a fuse works as opposed to a failure due to surge. So this is the next test where we are doing fusing test. So as you can see, the resistor is set and plus 0.98%, that is 82.80 ohms. So yeah, load the fusing jig. So we are sending around 32 times power across it to fuse. Yeah, switch on the machine. Glass it. So this is how a resistor fuses. Okay, switch off. Let it cool down a bit. So the resistor in action, check tolerance checking. As you can see, the resistor is burnt because of prolonged overload of 32 times power, and it is over. Basically it's open. You can see that you can't find any resistance value on it. So this is the resistor once it fuses. Due to overload, that is when in a lamp, when the MOV clamps and fails to open, that time when 230 volt goes across it, it will fuse and look like this. Meanwhile, this one is, which I had shown earlier, is what opened when a surge failure happens. It is clearly that MOV clamped and failed to react back, and so the fuse has acted as a fuse because it has done its job as a fuse. So you can see that the resistor has actually acted as a fuse and fused rather than burning the circuit or making the main fuse blow up. So yeah, I hope this clarifies your question.